What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the LG Aristo 5. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I just want to stroll right into this unboxing. Now this device was released July 13th, 2020. I did not get the phone because it sold out pretty quickly, but I'm glad I'm going to be able to unbox it right now. Now, starting off with the specifications on this device, we have a 5.7 inch screen. Now that's going to be 1520 by 720p, so this isn't going to be full HD. It's only going to be HD. Going down to the camera, we have a 13 megapixel dual camera. We also have a 5 megapixel front camera. As far as our hardware, we have a MediaTek Helio P22 with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Our storage is 32 gigabytes, and we can actually expand that via micro SD card. We also have a 3000 milliamp battery in here, and this device is running Android 10.0. This device, I believe, is offered unlocked as well as at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile, and I think even Cricket Wireless, and it's probably going to be offered pretty much everywhere pretty soon, if not already. Let's go ahead and unbox this device. Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and open this up. We have the phone on the top right here. We're going to go ahead and put that to the side. This is actually my first time looking at this device. They just activated at the store, walked out with it in the box, and I didn't really think much of it. Now here it is. Next thing we have inside of here is our Metro by T-Mobile welcome start guide. Next we have our micro USB cable, and I do not know why they went back in time, but that's there. That's really surprising, honestly, and very disheartening. That kind of sucks, but we have that. And last but certainly not least, we have our wall charger. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, honestly in hand, this device really doesn't feel bad at all. It honestly feels more premium than any Aristo that I've held in my entire life, so that's something different. And to the touch, this does feel like a metal device. It does not feel plastic whatsoever, so I don't think you're gonna have an issue with the quality there. But taking a look at the back of the phone, we have our LG emblem at the bottom of the device. We have our fingerprint sensor right up there, and right above that we have our dual rear facing camera. The first one's actually going to be 13 megapixels, and that's going to be a PDAF camera, and the second one is going to be a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, so we do have ultra wide on this device. And just to the right of that, we have the LED flash. Right side of the device, we have a very clicky and tactile power button, which is great to see. Bottom of the phone, we have our headphone jack, as well as our noise canceling mic, our micro USB port, which is really not nice to see, and our speaker to the right of that. Left side of the phone, we have our spaced volume rocker as well. And right below that, we have our Google Assistant key. You can go ahead and press that, and then ask Google something. Right below that, we also have our SIM tray. And top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Alright everyone, so getting into this device, honestly, this device doesn't look too bad whatsoever. It's actually been pretty smooth so far. Taking a look at our utilities, we have screenshot, Wi-Fi calling, sound, Bluetooth rotation, a few other things we have right here. If we go to the edit tab, we have focus mode, which is a new feature. We also have storage, grayscale, and we also have nearby share. Also, taking a look at the screen real quick, we have a 5.7 inch 720p screen. Now at the top of the device, we do have a headset, as you guys can see. And just below that, we do have a 5 megapixel front facing camera. But we do have some pretty big bezels around this device. Honestly, looking at this device just as a very, very budget friendly phone, it honestly doesn't look too bad. Now as far as the screen goes, looks pretty decent in my opinion. Honestly, this screen is one of the best screens I've seen in a second. LG tends to do a pretty good job on that, but this looks decent nonetheless. Alright everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and play this right now. We're going to see how it looks and sounds.
You are going to be getting sound from the bottom and the headset just above the screen right there, so I think this is definitely a pass.
Wow, this is like a phone inception right here. This is pretty crazy. So honestly, the speakers on this device really are not it. They sound so tinny. It's going to be a mono speaker at the bottom of the device, so it's not going to be utilizing the headset as a second speaker, which kind of sucks, honestly. But other than that, the screen looks really good. Really like the screen on this device. The sound just isn't it, chief. But taking a look at the bottom of the device, we do have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so definitely utilize that if you guys have headphones when you're watching videos, because I don't think most of you will be satisfied with what's coming from the speaker. Now, the last thing I wanted to go ahead and check out was the camera. Obviously, as usual, we're going to go ahead and get inside of here. As you guys see, we have a few different modes. We have portrait mode, we have photo, we have video, we have more, and that's going to be utilizing Flash Jump Cut and YouTube Live. You can actually go ahead and edit that if you like, but let's just keep it at that right there. But we're gonna go ahead and take a photo and see how it looks on this device. Alright everyone, so we just took a photo and honestly it looks pretty decent. It's a little darker than I would have liked, but I feel like this is one of the more solid Aristos that I've used for taking photos, so I'm definitely going to give it a pass. If you guys are looking for a very, very budget friendly device, this camera is going to be decent, and it's probably going to outwork a lot of other cameras in the similar price range. So honestly, so far looks decent. We're going to do more tests on this device, but so far it looks pretty good. Yeah guys, tell me what you think about the LG Aristo 5. If you guys already have this device, definitely put it in the comment section down below and let me know how you guys feel about this device so far. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Definitely let me know. Also, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already, and go ahead and hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.